public comments, including objections to and support for the proposed terms of employment contract between the board and its to-be-named superintendent of schools. Mr. Franson?
Thank you, Mr. President. Indiana law requires that this hearing be held. Didn't used to be the case, but now by statute, whenever you're going to have a new contract with a superintendent, you have to hold a public hearing to give the public the opportunity to weigh in on it before you take action on the contract. So we have published the required notice. The notice contains the essential terms of the proposed contract. The contract obviously hasn't been agreed to or signed. You can't legally at this point, but you have to lay out the proposed terms. These are terms that you have tentatively worked out with your selected candidate, but you can't, they can't be finalized without a public meeting, and you can't hold your public meeting until after you've held this hearing. The law requires that the action on the contract cannot occur any sooner than 7 days after this hearing. So the plan is, as I understand it, to have another meeting a week from today at the same time, same place, to take action on the contract. Some people might ask why the superintendent's name has not been released, and the answer is because there's been no final agreement reached with this person, and if there is no final agreement reached with this person that's enforceable by law, he might not want the world to know that he's looking for another job. So his name would be released next week when you have your public meeting, perhaps sooner if you want to, and he wants to, but for now, the terms are as set forth in the notice that was published in the paper. You don't need to repeat them here today. And if the public has comments, pro or con, questions, objections, thoughts, this is their opportunity to offer up their comments for your consideration as you finalize this contract.
Thank you, Mr. Franson. So I open up for any public comment at this time. Hearing none, we will close for public comment, and we need a motion to adjourn this public hearing.
I'll make a motion.
Second?
I will second.
Liz seconds. All in favor say aye.
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 All opposed, same sign. Motion carries. Public hearing is complete.
2 minutes.